A groundbreaking study conducted at the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology has shown that cocoa beverages can significantly lower blood pressure in older adults with untreated hypertension. This study was published in the Food Frontiers Journal on May 6, 2024. The research compared the effects of consuming cocoa beverages with a high-fat, high-salt meal, that's braised rice, to consuming water with the same meal. The results were astonishing, and here were the key findings. 1. There was a reduction in blood pressure. The participants who consumed the cocoa beverage showed a significant reduction in their systolic blood pressure over a 120-minute period. This effect was even more pronounced at the 90 and 120-minute marks, suggesting that cocoa might sustain blood pressure reduction over a long period. Secondly, healthier lifestyle. Dr. Amoah at the Department of Biochemistry and Biotechnology, who was the lead scientist, emphasized the potential of cocoa products as part of lifestyle change to improve hypertension outcomes. He highlighted that cocoa contains essential compounds that help reduce systolic blood pressure. And this is why the cocoa actually worked, because cocoa is rich in flavonoids, which are known to improve vascular health by enhancing nitric oxide production in the body. And this nitric oxide also helps relax blood vessels, improving blood flow and reducing blood pressure. Thus, this research provides compelling evidence that incorporating cocoa beverages in your diet can be a delicious and effective way to manage blood pressure and promote heart health. So next time you enjoy a cup of cocoa, know that it is not just a treat for your taste buds, but also a boon for your heart. Thank you very much.